Hey, Unity developers! Welcome back to Ludico. Today, we've got something exciting for you. We'll be diving into the top 5 Unity tools that will supercharge your game development workflow. First up on our list is the Unity Hub. If you're not already using it, you're missing out. Unity Hub is a centralized management tool that streamlines your Unity projects and installations. With Unity Hub, you can easily manage multiple projects, switch between different Unity versions, and access Unity Collaborate for team collaboration. It's a must-have tool for any Unity developer. Next, we have ProBuilder. This tool is a game changer for level design and prototyping. It allows you to create, edit, and texture 3D geometry directly within the Unity editor. ProBuilder speeds up your level design process and eliminates the need to switch between external 3D modeling software. It's an invaluable tool for creating your game worlds. Moving on to number 3, we have Odin Inspector. This powerful tool enhances Unity's inspector and makes it incredibly customizable. Odin Inspector allows you to create custom inspectors, serialize almost anything, and provides a ton of useful attributes to streamline your development process. It's a time saver for sure. At number 4, we have TextMesh Pro. Say goodbye to Unity's built-in text system and hello to TextMesh Pro's advanced text rendering capabilities. TextMesh Pro offers improved text rendering, dynamic text, and rich text formatting. It's perfect for creating eye-catching UI, in-game text, and subtitles. Last but not least, we have a shader graph. If you want to take your game's visuals to the next level, this tool is a game changer. Shader Graph allows you to create stunning visual effects and shaders without writing complex code. It's an essential tool for artists and developers looking to make their games stand out. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 Unity tools that can supercharge your game development journey. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tools will make your life easier and your games better. Be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more about each tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Unity tips, tutorials, and reviews. Also, let us know in the comments which Unity tools you love to use. Thanks for watching and happy game development!